And this is the storm of the century. This is February 16th, 2003.
17th.
February 17th. February 17th, and look at it. We're snowed in. It's a state of emergency. And I'm getting chicken house while Bill sits in here and watches TV because he's... Is it still on? Okay, now I'm going to get up. I'm going to go out here, start doing what I do all the time when you have a snowstorm around here, is I got to dig everybody out. Are we on? Is it on? Okay, it's on. Here we go. Oh. 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 And you see, it's so cold out here, this snow hasn't melted from yesterday. Okay. And I tell you, I got to go out here and dig all this out. Look at that, must have been a big branch that fell down there. I see a big branch sticking up out of the snow belt. Oh, here we go. Oh. Ooh. Ah. Oh, it's not light now. Whoa. Oh. Oh, this ain't gonna be fun now, I tell you. I thought I was doing something yesterday, but this is a little different. Pictures too, because I want you to take some of those. This is a good time to show you how to do that.
I took pictures already.
Underneath that's light and fluffy, at the top it's hard. Yeah, this started collapsing. See there? Collapsing again. I don't know if this is snow drifts. Foggy morning at Bob's. Can't seem to take any of these pictures without fogging up the glass. I don't know how that's supposed to work. Can't get any of these pictures taken without fogging up the glass. The birds are out down at Bob's. Let me clean this glass again. It's just going to stay fogged up. I think it's because the camera was in my car, and it was colder in my car than it is outside now, because actually it's quite warm outside right now. I'm going to go inside and take a picture of Bob. By the way, look at all these puddles here. This is a little lake we're dealing with. Bob's house. There's a bird feeder. Off. Sun burning that fog off, the warm weather. Here. This is a lake, I'll tell you. This is the bird feeder. This thing's all fogged up. It's cold in my car, and I keep cleaning it. It's pretty out there, the fog burning away. I'm taking this for Bill. You can say hi to Bill.
Hi, Bill. How you doing? Come on down.
Yeah, I'll show this to him. So Bob's a little late this morning.
No, I'm early. I'm not going to go. Two can play the game.
Oh, I'm sorry. I hope it didn't screw things up there too much for us.
Oh, it's like
Well, Marty really made me feel a lot better. I thought, I said, what am I doing? Maybe I'm being obnoxious, and I didn't even realize it. It's the worst thing.
well, that's
Let me take over here. Here's the lady of the house. And she lays on this couch when people are up, but when they're not up, this is where she lays. And she's not fooling anybody, are you? You're not fooling me, are you? Okay, she lays here, she lays here, but when Bob's up, she's a good little girl and she lays over here. She's trained good. And then this is where I stay. Taking a tour of your place, giving Bill a tour. Bathroom with skylight. And this is where Bob's computer is. Back room. And this is the paint room. The artwork's done. And then I better gather my things and go. This is my stuff. What time you have to be there, Bob?
where?
Church.
Oh, 9 o'clock.
Okay. So you just aim at me, it's already on.
Oh, it's running?
Yeah. We're doing the whole schmear here, so that end that video. Oh, God, I'm gonna take this. I hope I don't forget anything. It'll be a nice day.
Yeah, it is.
Now my glasses are all fogged up.
Oh, shit, I have to turn off. Where's it, Bonnie? What's all that stuff on your nose?
What do you think, Bonnie? Whoops, that'd be nice. Be America's Funniest Videos. Bonnie's having a little drinky poo.
Ice cream cone.
That's what it's all about. You're in place, right?
Yeah. I think this is going to burn off that
Oh yeah.
sun. Yeah, you kept saying David.
Walt. Who's David? Oh, here's Bob's pond back here. What do you call this? Lake Wobegon? What do you call this?
Trout pond.
Trout pond. All right, this is unfaced. I'm surprised the light didn't come on.
Hold it still.
Little blue eyes there. Porcelain blue.
Who is that?
That's Damon. You know, I sent the picture to Don McKenzie, and the subject of the email I had Demon Booze, and he thought I was making a joke, like demon booze. And he started reading and realized it wasn't a joke, it's a real person. I said, yeah, it's a real person. And Damon Booze. What is his name? Booze.
Boozy.
Boozy. Where do you get a name like that? Where do you get a name like Damon? I think I'll go down to Bob's.
I'm going down the mall.
You're just wasting.
Okay, here I am down at Ed's new kitchen. How's it look? I turned all the lights on. I like the floor. It's all wax. It's always shiny. There's the countertop. There's a microwave. There's a window over the sink, which is nice. I like the sink. There's this little eating area. And here is the leaks in the ceiling. Okay. There's one there. I think there's some over here. Right there. Alright, now here's Ed's main bathroom, which I'm trying to attack. I think this is where Ed does all his living. Okay, this toilet was filthy. I had to clean that. I still was having toilet bowl cleaner. And you see what Ed colors his hair with. That's Claron Loving Care, and I think it's ash brown, medium ash brown. And that's me. I look a little bald there, don't I? There's a shower down here. Oh, there's some more. Maybe I can get some cleaning things in here. That thing's organized an odd way, it does. There's his washing machines. I organized this a little bit. I at least put the bug spray on the one side and the cleaning things on the other side. There's all of his shoes. This goes outside to his garage. So that looks like an old refrigerator there, doesn't it? That's his old microwave. I don't know what kind of car you're going to get in this garage. It's just more like a storage area. There's his living room. I mean his dining room. The answer machine's on the floor, so I didn't know what it was. None of the TVs work. It's got beautiful pictures. The pictures are beautiful. Now, to deal with the kitchen, he needs a little separation area there. That's what he needs of that kitchen. He needs to separate it from the dining room.
And here we go into the living room where you come in. What you need here is a bigger area to walk. Now I vacuum cleaned the whole place. This is where the TV that you're getting can go. It's got a blank wall there. Again, beautiful pictures. Sitting area. That's what it looks like outside. It's a vacant lot across the street. There's my car. That's for sale. Now we'll go upstairs. That's my CD playing there. This is where I slept last night. So there's my air filter, need that. That's where he has the computer set up, but it's tough typing on that computer. There's a little sitting area. Again, across the street. And this is what he's, another beautiful picture. It's a bathroom that I used up here, and to clean this thing all out. Smells a lot better anyway. This is the back bedroom that I was going to sleep in, but I decided not to. I put the little table up here because the lamp was on the floor. There's all my things. All the closet doors are hard to get open. They're all hard to get open. They just have junk in them. But I like these wood walls. These wood grain walls, I like that. TV doesn't work. Now I'll show you why Ed has a leak down here. Look at him. See, that water's just sitting there. That's why Ed has a leak. Just sits there. There's the other back bedroom. So, at least it smells good in here. It doesn't smell musty, but I do like the walls. Of course, here's the stairs. Oh. Got all these things over here. I'm telling you, it's a little lonely staying down here. It's very quiet in this neighborhood. There's not too many people here. There's a few people. I wouldn't want to stay here in season though. I think it'd be quite busy, but I think that's what Ed likes. He likes all that hubbub and activity. That's the deal for Ed. He likes all that activity. That's a good CD. I bought some other CDs now, but I'm not playing any besides that CD. That's the only one I'm playing.
But I promised Ed I'd take some digital pictures in the kitchen, and I better get that done. Yesterday was a sunny day. It was actually the best day to do it. But maybe we'll get some sun tomorrow.